Hello everyone, this is FM 107. You are listening to Marwa Alsaleh with Nazia. You will know my story, you will hear my voice. I never get rid of this habit of having every day at least 1 hour to learn something new because I want to stay always ahead, not behind.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. मैं हूँ नाजिया FM 107 से and welcome to the show called Voices of Qatar, where we journey through the lives of people, those who have lived, shaped and witnessed the transformation of this country, Qatar. Well, today joining us on this episode is a woman whose voice has become a beacon of inspiration across the media landscape in Qatar. Well, I can say that she is a seasoned TV presenter, radio presenter, a motivational speaker, certified media coach, and of course an author. Let's welcome her on FM 107, Marwa Alsaleh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for having me here today. Actually, it's a privilege to be with you, Nazia. I'm looking forward for this conversation since we met the other day in the event. Hopefully, inshallah, it will be a very light and inspiring conversation.
Marwa, since we know that you started your journey as a makeup artist,
yes.
So tell me what actually inspired you for this shift and how do you believe that this perception has shaped your perspective on storytelling?
It wasn't planned. Working as makeup artist or even entering this media world. But alhamdulillah, I'm so lucky that I shaped my career doing two things I love the most, and basically they are my talents. So I started working as makeup artist. I was looking for a job actually.
Okay.
And then my old sister realized that my makeup is good. So she started taking courses, and whatever she learned, she delivered it to me. And alhamdulillah, by experience, by time, I became, I can say, one of the well-known makeup artists during the period from 2012 until 2014. And here, it all began. The shift in 2014, I moved to Saath al-Khalij radio station and started my journey. And it was the thing I loved doing the most since I was a child at school.
Since you mentioned that you've been working for one of the radio station, and we know that you have worked for television, you are a voiceover artist, of course writing. So tell me, which medium actually resonates with you the most and why?
That's a very wonderful question, although it's very hard to answer. It's like asking me about which one of your kids you like the most. I think whatever related to voice also owns a big place in my heart, because I strongly believe that alhamdulillah, God gave me that ability to shape the feeling, deliver the thought, the idea with my voice. Of course, I will choose being radio presenter and voiceover artist.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah, great, fantastic. You are an amazing author as well. While I was reading and I got to know that your book was inspired by your personal experience.
Exactly.
So would you like to share that moment and what actually influenced you towards writing?
I was working on my book since 2019.
Okay.
Yeah, but I published it in 2024. Why I decided to publish this book? Because Nazia, you know, at the beginning, in any field, we always have questions. Sometimes you have somebody to give you the guide, if you are so lucky. Sometimes you have to find it the hard way. And I believe that in our field, there is no guide book. You learn it from your mistakes. You shape your own appearance. Your charisma speaks louder sometimes than the rules or whatever we can be educated yani from books or universities. So I thought about the thousands of talented voices that might have the same questions. So I started writing. Whenever I'm in a new experience, I write. New program, I write. A new challenge, I write. Then I found out that, that's a whole book. Let's publish it. Let's inspire others. And I did it, alhamdulillah.
You're also a certified media coach.
Yeah.
Right. So what is that one most common misconception that actually people have about media?
People nowadays, especially with social media, they put being famous as a priority and forgetting that, okay, when you become famous, what's your message? What's your vision? Do you have goals so that you can be famous to achieve these goals? It's not about how I look and how many followers I have. It's about what I have to put in this world as an impact, as my signature. It's not about being famous. And I believe that if that was the way of thinking when I entered this field, I wouldn't have been here today speaking to try to inspire others, because I'll be very busy chasing chances, chasing cameras, just to say and scream loudly, I'm here. No, build a strong foundation that will speak about you even if you're not here. That's my mission.
If you have to give a voiceover for the radio station like FM 107 Urdu Radio, how would you do that?
Hello everyone, this is FM 107. You are listening to Marwa Alsaleh with Nazia. You will know my story, you will hear my voice.
Beautiful, Marwa. What advice would you like to give to young women who wanted to enter into media field but they feel reluctant because of its competitiveness?
She should find what makes her unique, because that's step 1. Step 2, know why you want to enter this field. Number 3, work on your inner values and voice, because this what will make you stand out actually. You know, I've been in this field for 11 years. I never thought that, it's very crowded or we have many presenters, because I'm always, and I want her to think the same way, you are challenging yourself, your old self, the one that was afraid of trying something new, thinking outside of the box. Always challenge her, put her in front of you.
Marwa, tell me, how do you inspire and continue learning after more than a decade in the industry?
Allah subhanahu said, Iqra. I always read. I always try to enrich my information. Everything in our media and field grow rapidly, Nazia. I try to keep up by always attending workshops, listening to podcasts. I never get rid of this habit of having every day at least 1 hour to learn something new, because I want to stay always ahead, not behind.
If you were given a chance to create any of the project that combines all of your passion, what would it be and why?
Wish me luck. I'm working on something that is really combining all the, let's say, the things I love the most, I did in my life, and found that many ladies need it, because they will never find it in one project or one service or one workshop or one guide. I don't want to say the idea, but I'm really working.
Let's not reveal that, but
yeah,
you are working on that. So we should.
I'm working on that. Yes.
Thank you so much, Marwa. Thank you for giving us your valuable time and being a part of this show called Voices of Qatar.
No need to mention that. I was so happy to be here. And by the way, I loved the questions. I was really enjoying this conversation. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you once again. Thank you so much.